Okay, what we've got here is the Bear Grylls Special Gerber knife. Every man that goes camping or loves outdoors will actually appreciate one of these. This is actually a well-balanced knife. You'll see that it's like a bit of an all-rounder knife. I love this knife. It's just nice size and it can do multiple things. Obviously you've got your whistle for distress. The thing I like about it is obviously the flint. So I'll just give you a demo on the flint. So it's got quite a nice flint on it. So if you were going or needed to start a fire. And these last for a long time, those flints. You can use them quite a lot. On the back of the knife is also, it's got your distress signals you could use if you ever got into trouble. You can attach this to your belt and it's quite a nice versatile knife. Good all-rounder for someone that just likes a bit of camping or even the half medium serious hunter. So great knife, well recommended.